It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BIOA. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and biggest volume this chart has had in quite a while. So let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? My answer would be right there at 60 cents if the price can stay up above it. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price goes below 60 cents, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay up above it, that would certainly be a huge sign of power without question. Next level of support after that would be this previous breakout point, and that's down there at 57 cents. So 60 and 57, two shorter term, near term levels of support. From the grand scheme of things perspective, it's really all about the purple line right here, which is the 50-period simple moving average. And as the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher as time goes by. So if you're somebody that's just kind of sitting there and you're saying, Clay, look, I just want to, how do I gauge the strength of the move? This right here being defined as, the overall move. Easiest way to gauge the strength on that, again, circling back to the purple line. As that purple line moves itself higher and higher, as long as the price stays above it, then the strength is fully in the bull's favor, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some potential battlegrounds at? As it stands right now, really the key overall area is just simply where the party stopped today on that high volume candle, and that's right up there at 66 cents. Yeah, I definitely say that there's probably some resistance right around here at 63 cents. So in fact, I am actually going to map that out now that I talk about it out loud. That does make quite a bit of sense to put something right there at 63 cents. So you can see quite a bit of price congestion right here around that point. So yeah, without question, 66 cents is a level of resistance. But before you start talking about, doing battle with that one and breaking new highs, that first level that needs to be cleared above is going to be 63. So all in all, very nice day today. It'll be very interesting to see how this one closes out the week tomorrow and see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.